Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sean McKay, aka the Lousy Investor. And today I want to talk about individual retirement accounts, also known as IRAs. IRAs are incredibly beneficial vehicles for us to utilize for our investing career. And so today I want to unpack what they are and how we might want to think about them for our investment portfolio. And so, really, what we're talking about with IRAs are just special investment accounts that have certain rules around them that are dictated to us by the IRS. So, with an IRA, the first thing to understand is there are what are called contribution limits. So, each year, the government says you can put X amount of money into this IRA vehicle. So, in the year 2022, for individuals that are under 50 years old, we can put up to $6,000 into this investment account. For individuals 50 years old plus, they can put up to $7,000 into that investment account. Now, the eligibility to make contributions is based upon having what is considered earned income. So most of the time, earned income is going to be in the form of a W-2 salary or a 1099 wage from being some sort of contractor worker. So assuming you have at least that $6,000 or $7,000 of earned income, you can max out your contribution for that calendar year. Now, why would we care about these individual retirement accounts? So when we think about investing, we might think about investing in ETFs, in individual stocks, in rental properties. There's all sorts of different ways that we can invest. The one challenge is if we make that investment personally, and then at some point in time, we ever decide to sell that asset, then we can be hit with a pretty substantial tax consequence. So let's say, for example, we purchase an ETF and we make a $10,000 profit when we sell that ETF. So if we own that personally, we're going to get hit with a pretty substantial tax consequence. We could end up paying $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 plus in taxes on that $10,000 profit. So obviously that's not ideal. However, if our IRA owns that ETF and the IRA sells that ETF and makes that same $10,000 profit, the entire $10,000 profit flows back to the IRA as the owner of that ETF. So that is a really powerful tool for us as investors to be able to buy these assets, to sell these assets, to accumulate cash flow. Maybe it's a dividend paying asset or a cash flowing asset of some sort, and have all that profit flow back to our investment accounts. So that's a really strong reason for us to consider making at least some of our investments with our IRAs. So if you found this content useful, please feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, thanks so much.